with Hindi instructions. You're doubting your guru? You're fired. Out of the kitchen.
Can't you?
Be quick, be quick. You're gonna burn it. You're gonna burn it. Jaldi. Haath hilao, jaldi. Hey guys, this is Nick. This is Carrie.
Welcome back to another video.
In today's video, we are cooking Indian food with Hindi instructions. So Carrie is the chef. I am the guru who will be giving instructions to Carrie. But the catch is they're all gonna be in Hindi. So let's see how she performs. Ab tayar ho?
Up the yellow.
Menu, please. Menu for tonight's dinner.
Today's menu: papala, butter chicken, suji, hawa, and lastly, mango lassi.
Her favorite. Master Chef.
Take care.
Let's go!
Yeah.
Before we dive into today's video, I want to show you guys how you can edit high quality travel vlog for your girlfriend, even yourself or whomever.
If you want to know how we go from all this raw clip to this,
Keep on watching!
we edit our videos in a software called Filmora. The interface is very easy to navigate with tons of built-in templates such as text, overlays, filters. So even if you have zero editing skills, you can still handle it and edit a video quickly.
When I edit travel videos, I love using speed ramping to add some dynamic to the video and to match the beat of background music. Plus, if you like capturing drone shot or moving objects, you will love this motion tracking feature. It's as simple as dragging a box on the object you want to track and click start tracking. Of course, you can overlay some text on and make it even more interesting. This app also has so many built-in effects and transitions, and you can preview them before even applying. It's just so simple, and you can just unleash your creativity from first day you get on the app.
Filmora is also doing an unboxing challenge. If you edit an unboxing video on Filmora and post it on your social media, tagging @Filmora_editor, you will have a chance to win an iPhone 14 or other gifts. If you want to join this challenge, click on the link in the description box.
Okay, babe, I'm gonna tell you every ingredient, what they call in Hindi, once before we start cooking. Okay, start from big one. Atta,
I know.
jeera,
Jeera,
garam masala,
garam masala,
सूजी,
suji,
टमाटर,
tomato,
प्याज,
piyaj,
मुर्गा,
muga.
मुर्गी,
What does that mean?
nothing. शहद,
Shame.
लहसुन and अदरक,
Lesson and what is lesson? What is that?
लहसुन and अदरक, इलायची का दाना.
Alaichi katana.
And you know what? Rasmalai!
What?
So the first thing we are cooking is malai murg.
Malai mook?
Yeah.
It wasn't on the menu.
It's something called malai murg in the menu.
Mook. Mook is chicken.
Wow! So what is it?
Butter chicken.
Okay, so the first thing we need to do is chicken ko marinate karna hai.
Marinate the chicken. I can do that. That's easy.
Do it. First thing we're gonna do, chicken ko छोटा-छोटा काटना है.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Cut chop.
Yeah, chop. छोटा-छोटा.
Do that.
Okay guys, so I forgot 2 ingredients. Guru can forget as well. Oi, 1 ingredient is ghee.
Ghee.
You need this.
What bit in your body? Put you in the oven and grill it.
What did you say, Jeff? Dhania powder.
Oriental.
Chicken cutting a chicken. Chicken is cut. Now I'm gonna instruct you. पहले एक छोटा चम्मच लेके आओ.
Take a spoon.
Yeah, वाह. Carrie को सब समझ आता है. Carrie understands everything. Okay, so सबसे पहले हम क्या डालेंगे? Put 2.5 चम्मच of yogurt. अब हम छोटे चम्मच पे आ जाएंगे दोबारा. बड़ा चम्मच प्लीज मत यूज करिए. पहले डालेंगे हम.
This one.
Kind of. Keep holding. Yeah. आधा चम्मच. That's not आधा. Yeah. And उसके बाद आप डालेंगे गरम मसाला. गरम मसाला. क्या चाहिए?
हाँ?
क्या चाहिए?
Gardine.
क्या ढूंढ रही है? कैंची.
इसको gardine.
So आधे से थोड़ा ज्यादा. आधे से थोड़ा
You tell
ज्यादा.
me to stop.
ओए, no, चम्मच. That's a lot. No, that's a lot. That's enough. उसके बाद डालेंगे हम हल्दी.
Scream it.
आधा चम्मच. उसके बाद हम डालेंगे cumin seeds. जीरा.
Jeera.
So you will put आधा चम्मच. Yeah, that's better. Half. Now हम डालेंगे मिर्ची. It matches with your t-shirt, you know. छोटी मिर्ची. That's it. That's a lot. नमक कौन डालेगा? मैं.
Namakon.
आपको सब याद है. You can put a little bit more chili in it. So let me help you, my shishya. And then you put a little bit more turmeric.
Do you put much but no garam masala?
No, eating garam masala too much is not good for you.
Are you sure?
You're doubting your guru? You're fired! Out of the kitchen. Do you know who I am? I'm a Nick Ramsey.
Oi! Call me back.
Bye. Let's take over ourselves. Actually, you know what? We should do atta first.
Atta?
Yeah.
Roti?
Roti.
Get my hands dirty. How much?
डालो पहले बताता हूँ कितना
大佬
डालो
大佬
इसमें डालो
我係你大佬
आटा इसमें डालो
Atta it's your 大佬
It's all over my camera. Easier way.
Bruh.
Hey!
Can I wear gloves?
No, you need to feel like an Indian mom. Tomorrow you're gonna have kids who are gonna call you Mummy!
My kids are not eating rotis.
Why? Roti is so good. My
will
kids
let-
are definitely eating rotis.
Then you make it.
Bruh.
No, that's what I'm teaching you.
Now it's almost done. Cut the part before. Just jump straight to here. I know! My fellow audience, this is the first time I'm making roti.
Hard.
All done by myself.
So, we're gonna put this on the side. इसको साथ में, इसको साइड में रखेंगे और हम क्या बनाएंगे? मीठा. इसके बाद क्या? Next step. क्या करना
Next one, next step.
है? हाँ.
Ah.
Oh, what we are doing?
I don't know. Aren't you supposed to tell me, Guru?
अब मीठा बनाएंगे.
Mita?
मीठे में क्या था?
Dessert?
Yeah.
Oh.
क्या था?
Oh, that's suji. Hawa.
First, you need 1/3 cup of sugar. Next, we need is 3/4 cup of water. इसको क्या बोलते हैं?
Milk.
दूध.
Juju.
दूध.
What does that mean?
दूध. This is दूध.
I feel like you're constantly making me like a joke, but I do not know.
Making you a joke?
Yeah.
We don't have to make you a joke. You are a joke. Put the dudu down. Make sure you don't spill dudu. No spillage of dudu. Dudu is very important. Dudu is the dudu. You spill it 5 ml dudu. You waste dudu.
Come here, lick it. Lick it!
That's very vulgar to say. Nobody licks dudu. Now you need 1/3 cup of ghee. You know what ghee is, right?
You're
Yeah.
telling me to eat so much ghee?
Yeah. That's a lot. That's a lot.
You said. It's
I
not
didn't
even
say
one
it. Internet
fold.
said. काजू के छोटे छोटे पीस. काजू.
What?
काजू.
Kaju?
छोटे छोटे पीस. काजू.
Cashew!
ट्यूबलाइट है. धीरे धीरे जलती है. You know what I said?
I regret doing this with you.
I don't regret this at all. 10 काजू.
1 is dust,
No.
2 is dust,
No.
10 is dust.
Yeah.
Okay, how chuta?
छोटा.
This chuta, this chuta, or this chuta.
वो बहुत छोटा है. छोटा. नेक्स्ट स्टेप. उसके बाद हमें चाहिए इलायची पाउडर.
Lychee powder, lychee powder.
एक
Lychee powder.
1.8 चाय चम्मच. I've forgotten my Hindi so much. 1/8 चाय चम्मच. 1/8 teaspoon of cardamom powder.
Oh, okay.
Okay, सबसे
सबसे
पहले चीनी डालो. चीनी. Yeah, चीनी. Do it, be quick. जल्दी डालो. उसके बाद पानी डालो.
Honey.
बेबी पानी डालो आराम से. अब उसको हिलाओ.
Etudu.
Yeah, दूधू. वाह. Now हम मिलाएंगे अच्छी
Okay,
तरीके
mix
से.
it.
जब तक वो मिल नहीं जाता आप उसको घुमाएं.
Now
Ghee, now ghee.
ghee.
Yeah, that's enough. You need to let the ghee melt.
Melt.
It's melted now. So now
You're
you add
speaking
सूजी.
English?
अब सूजी डालो. फुल सूजी. You need to stir it side by side. उसको हिलाना है साथ ही साथ. नहीं तो जमा हो जाएगी सूजी. अब काजू डालो. काजू, खिशू.
Cashew.
Be quick. You're gonna burn it. जल्दी. हाथ हिलाओ जल्दी हाथ हिलाओ. अब इलायची पाउडर डालो.
Lychee powder.
Yeah, lychee powder.
Lychee. It's so bad. It's become so sticky. What should I do?
Add the heated milk,
water, sugar mixture. It's already added. Then it's wrong.
Oh, it was in a separate pan. It smells like milk. It actually tastes like a halwa. Maybe we invented a new halwa. No kidding.
It's not bad.
It's not bad at all. Guys, this is like pretty good. ये जो गुरुद्वारे में हलवा मिलता है ना वैसा सा है, बस white color का है. I think if I would be cooking it, it would be way more like, you know, brown and like little bit better looking.
You push. You gotta be wrong. Guru.
Guru is dead. Let's cook murg malai.
Murg malai.
Yes. So सबसे पहले प्याज काटेंगे.
Tomato, onion.
प्याज, yeah. चलो chicken.
Thigh.
छोटा छोटा.
छोटा छोटा.
Yeah.
छोटा छोटा.
Yeah, छोटा छोटा.
10 seconds later.
Guys, this is what I do at home. You know my boyfriend never let me eat.
अभी तो एक और काटना है. You gotta still cut one more. It's a crocodile's tear. Don't believe it. Gonna bite you.
One by one.
Yeah. Let me show you. So you go one, you go one, you go two, you go two, you go three. When it's a lot, you go whole.
How long?
Check recipe book. Get back to you. 3 minutes on each side.
Rate this guru, guys. Rate him.
Rate me better, otherwise videos won't come. So now, उसको पलटो, chicken को, मुर्गे को.
Turn it around.
Yeah.
It's
You're
not
understanding now Hindi a little bit, isn't it? Has this technique helped you a little bit cooking in Hindi?
You know what? Just because I'm smart. Wait.
Like it's a disaster recipe every time I come close to you, isn't it? चलो प्याज डालो, जल्दी लेके आओ, जल्दी जल जाएगा.
Put them in. Put them in.
प्याज 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 जल्दी 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 जल गया
चलो.
प्याज प्याज सिर्फ प्याज.
It's on me, the oil.
चलता है इतना. चलो करो. इतनी रेसिपी याद थी.
Stir until it's brown.
अब जब हाँ बिल्कुल जब तक भूरे कलर का ना हो जाए तब तक इसको चलाते रहो.
Don't know what the hell you're talking about.
You just said it before.
Stir fry it until it's brown.
Yay! इसमें जीरा पाउडर, कोरिएंडर पाउडर.
How much? This one, how much?
Half spoon, not a lot. Oh, dude, that's a lot. Dhania powder. You don't do this like you put it on the spoon and then you put it in there.
It's okay.
How is it 1 teaspoon? This.
It would be like this.
Now you put garam masala. Don't put a lot of it. So little bit, not a lot. Little bit more. Yeah, that's it. And you need to add namak now.
What is namak?
Namak.
Salt.
Yeah. Okay, तो अब क्या करेंगे कैरी? अब इसको निकालेंगे एक कंटेनर में, फिर हम इसको
Blend it.
शाबाश मेरे बेटे.
It's like butter chicken chana. Yeah.
You blend. You don't do this,
Okay, what now?
But now half thing is done. Now it's time to cook the real butter chicken. शुरू करें.
Okay, turn it on.
Yes. Very nice. You know what to do?
No.
Little bit of तेल. थोड़ा. That's it. थोड़ा means very थोड़ा because you already have oil in the other stuff. धीरे. वाह. चम्मच लेके सारा निकाल लो. चम्मच. Yeah. गैस को धीरे करेंगे. स्टर फ्राई करेंगे.
Stir fry कर लेंगे.
अब चिकन को डाल लेंगे.
Put chicken into it.
Wow. Now you take the big spoon. बड़ा कड़छी लेके इसको रोटेट करेंगे. Nice. Spread it properly on the top.
1 spoon, 2 spoon,
Yep.
3 spoon.
Put one more.
4 spoon.
Nice. Wow, it looks nice. So put some kasturi methi in it.
Nice.
What's next? Mango lassi.
Lassi.
Yeah.
Let's make a lassi.
Carrie is a mango Carrie. Lady looks like a mango Carrie. Mango, cute mango Carrie. Gonna make a lassi, mango Carrie.
Bruh.
Get some yogurt. Dahi. Forgot again. लेके आओ दही. डालो इसमें.
How much?
आधा. इतना भर दो. 3 जानों के लिए बहुत होगा.
So much.
Yeah. Put half. Nice. डालो. डालते रहो. Okay. Done. Carrie is a shepherd.
Carrie is the
Today you look so
princess.
beautiful today. Little bit water.
Water.
Yeah. Pani. My Hindi is gone, guys. It's gone for today now.
Right?
I'm just trying it. Good?
Better than outside.
Better than outside. Now his time is फुल्का बनाना है फुल्का. Yeah, like that.
That's how you make bread.
Nice. हर तरफ से बेलना है रोटी को एक तरफ से. It looks nice. Very nice, babe. So proud of you. You look at it, guys. You decide. It's actually not bad at all. You're direct. So it goes. Wait. Yeah. It's okay. Isn't this looks like a Australian continent? But Australia has a big belly down there. So next up is papad. Carrie loves papad.
A lot of the people deep fried it.
When I
Grill it. This is the only thing I know how to do.
When I first introduced papad to Carrie, she was like, "Hey, this is not good," and she took 2 bites, and after that she was like, "This is so good."
Wow! Oh my god!
Oh my god!
So good. Everything looks so good.
Guru and Shishya teamwork.
Teamwork.
Wow, baby. If my mom would be here, she'd be so proud on you. But you know what? I'm so proud of you. Tasting time!
Oh my god!
My turn. First of all, I'm gonna go for it. Can I have the roti?
This is so good.
Oh my god. Not kidding.
I think it's better than eating in an Indian restaurant.
This is the first time we ever cook butter chicken at house. With help of my recipe. She cooked it. And guess what? It's amazing.
It's so good.
It's actually really good. Not kidding. I wish I can make you guys try this.
Put this in your mouth.
Yeah, this taste is unreal. It's like
It is so
mama's kitchen taste. By the way, our family will never cook this because my family is full vegetarian. So if you're watching this, my family, this is a halwa cake. I never had. Oh my god.
It's not too sweet. Everything is just on spot. I am so talented. Oh my god. Cheers. Okay guys, we're gonna eat. So if you guys like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and turn on the notification bell.
We hope you guys enjoyed it and we listened to you. So if you want to see something else, comment down because we're gonna make more videos of your requests. Thank you so much for watching. We love you all. We will see you next time. Bye-bye.
What is the next step?
Yo, let's cook butter chicken. Yo.